Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Pekka in Clash Royale. Pekka is a formidable melee troop, known for her incredibly high damage and substantial health pool. She costs 7 elixir to deploy, making her a significant investment. Understanding her strengths and weaknesses is key to mastering her in your deck. We will cover both offensive and defensive strategies, along with ideal card synergies to maximize her impact on the arena. Let's dive in. When pushing offensively with Pekka, timing is everything. Start by placing her behind your king tower to gather 7 elixir for support. Pair her with splash damage units, such as a wizard or baby dragon, to clear out smaller troops. Consider using a zap or electro wizard to reset powerful defensive buildings like the Inferno Tower. This strategy helps ensure Pekka reaches the enemy tower with maximum health, dealing devastating damage. Pekka is not just an offensive powerhouse, she is also an incredible defensive anchor. Her high damage output makes her perfect for eliminating large enemy tanks like golems, royal giants, or even hog riders. Deploy her directly onto these threats to quickly shut down their push. Remember, her slow movement means you need to anticipate enemy plays. A well-timed defensive Pekka can save your tower and launch a counter-push. To maximize Pekka potential, consider strong synergies. Cards like Battle Ram create a powerful offensive duo, while the Electro Wizard and Bandit offer fantastic support, stunning and dashing through enemies. However, be aware of her counters. Inferno Tower can melt her quickly, and swarms like Skeleton Army can overwhelm her. Always have a plan to deal with these threats, perhaps with a well-placed spell or supporting troop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.